Assalamu-Alaykum guys, welcome to Techno Science. In this video we will learn how we can interact with a database using PHP. Basically we are going to implement the CRUD operation using PHP. Before we get started, we have to set up our environment so we can run the PHP code and MySQL on our computer. Open your internet browser and search for XAMPP. Click on the first link. Now download the XAMPP for your computer and install it. After installing the XAMPP, open the location where you have installed the XAMPP. I've installed the XAMPP in the C drive, so I'll open it. I'll click on the XAMPP folder, scroll down and click on the XAMPP control. Now start the Apache server and start the MySQL. Now open your internet browser and search for localhost. Click on PHP-MyAdmin. We can see the XAMPP is working fine and the Apache server and MySQL are working too. In the next videos, we will learn how to create a database and how to connect your PHP file with a database. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and share this video with your friends. For latest videos and news, subscribe to our channel and tap on the bell icon.